So welcome to a new section in our website that we have just changed a little bit. When you go to our website, you will see at the top there is a link to videos. They are organized by theme or by different options, and I would like to go through them real quick. Which video do you need to watch? It depends on what you want to do. It's just the purpose to try to get you quick to the information you need. So the topics are organized in a chronological sequence. As an example, to use the software, of course, you need first to install it, but you also need to set it up. So the first topic will cover videos on how to help you install the program on one or more computers. The second part will be, well, when you start for the first time, there is no data in there. The program will help you create that, but how do you set things up for the first time? Point 3 will be now that you created something, what if you need to change that? That happens often very quickly. After you've set it up for the first time, you realize you forgot something or you need to change it. Step 4 is how do you activate and use the cloud features which are built in the software? That's still in the setup. And then point 5 will be how do you use all the features of management by statistics? Now there are two other topics which are more descriptive. So number 6 will be a series of demonstrations and overviews of the things you can do and how MBS 3 is working on the inside if you want. And number 7 is about the theory of management by statistics. These are a series of seminar videos. So if we go back to the website and click on videos, option number 1 is installation videos. Option number 2 is, well, you've installed it, you open it for the first time, how do you set it up? Option number 3 is how do you make administrative changes? So if I click on here, what I recommend is to start by looking at how to use the administration panel, because it will help you browse the administration panel and see how do I really create, edit, or modify something. Let me go one step back in videos. Option 4 is how to activate and use the cloud. Option 5 is probably the one you're going to use the most. This is for all users. Let me click on this. I recommend to start with how to use the dashboard panel. This will teach you how to select a graph, how to enter values, how to print them, all those kind of really important things that every user should know. Let me go back to the video list. And after this you have the two other optional ones if you want. If you want to look at demonstrations or overviews of what the software can do, that's option 6. And option number 7 is a whole series of the theory on which the software is based. So this theory of management by statistics, it's a series of 8 videos presented by R.T. Marin.